Welcome to AI Next 12. Don't forget to subscribe and other TO. Stay current in the world of AI. Let's dive into today's info. Revolutionizing software development. Meet OpenAI Codex, your new AI coding partner. Imagine sipping your favorite coffee while an AI handles your coding tasks with precision and speed. Welcome to the future of software development with OpenAI Codex, the latest innovation in AI-powered coding assistance. Integrated into ChatGPT, Codex is designed to redefine the way we approach coding, making it faster, more efficient, and enjoyable. Unleashing Codex, what you need to know. Codex is more than just a coding tool. It's your partner in software development. This cutting-edge AI agent can handle multiple coding tasks simultaneously, from writing new features to debugging and testing, all within a secure, cloud-based sandbox environment. With Codex, you're not just getting a tool, you're gaining a productivity powerhouse. Key features: unlocking efficiency and productivity. Autonomous coding tasks, your tireless junior developer. Codex can autonomously write code, fix bugs, run tests, and even propose pull requests for your review. It's like having an extra pair of hands on your team, working tirelessly to get the job done. Parallel tasking, boosting productivity. Need multiple tasks done at once? Codex can handle several coding tasks in parallel, significantly boosting your productivity and freeing up your time for more strategic tasks. Seamless integration, intuitive interface. Integrated directly into ChatGPT, Codex offers an intuitive interface where you can assign tasks, ask questions about your codebase, and monitor progress in real time. No more switching between tools or platforms. Codex has got you covered. Customizable workflows, guiding Codex to success. With agents.md files, you can guide Codex on how to navigate your codebase, run tests, and adhere to your project standards, ensuring consistency and reliability. This feature allows you to tailor Codex to your specific needs and workflows. How Codex works, the power behind the scenes. Powered by the Codex 1 model, an adaptation of OpenAI's O3 reasoning model. Codex operates within isolated cloud environments preloaded with your repository. It reads and edits files, runs commands, and provides verifiable logs and test outputs for transparency. This robust architecture ensures that Codex delivers high-quality results while maintaining the security and integrity of your codebase. Real-world applications. Codex in action. Companies like Cisco, Temporal, and Superhuman are already leveraging Codex to enhance their development workflows. From automating routine tasks to maintaining code quality, Codex is proving to be an invaluable asset in the software industry. By adopting Codex, these companies are able to accelerate their development processes, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. Considerations: using Codex responsibly. While Codex is a powerful tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Over-reliance on AI for coding can lead to challenges, especially for novice programmers. Always review and understand the code it generates to maintain code quality and security. By doing so, you can ensure that Codex enhances your development workflow without compromising your skills or code integrity. Final thoughts: revolutionizing your coding experience. OpenAI Codex isn't just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of software development. By automating mundane tasks, it allows developers to focus on creativity and innovation. Ready to revolutionize your coding experience? Dive into Codex today and discover a new way to develop software. If you're excited about the future of AI and coding, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Next Wealth channel for more insights into groundbreaking technologies. The future of software development is here. Join the revolution. Subscribe now.